Most common nursing mistakes. Let's discuss. So every day nurses save so many lives. क्या आपको पता है एक single mistake can endanger the life of the patient? And you know it is very important that you are aware of these mistakes क्योंकि कोई भी mistake repeat नहीं होनी चाहिए when you are especially aware of them. So here in this video, I will discuss the 20 most important and most common nursing mistakes that we have seen during audits, and stay till the end because number 17 is the one that experienced nurses make. So let's go. Mistake 1, wrong patient identification. So as per the hospital policy, आपको हरदम यूज करने हैं दो patient identifiers including your patient name. सेकेंड आप यूज कर सकते हैं पेशेंट डेट ऑफ बर्थ, पेशेंट UHID या हॉस्पिटल जो ID है उसका वो आप यूज कर सकते हैं. मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली कभी भी सिर्फ बेड नंबर पे रिलाय नहीं करना है एंड कॉन्शियस पेशेंट से हमेशा नाम पूछना है. डोंट रिलाय ऑन अ येस और नो. आस्क आपका नाम क्या है. सो यू हैव टू रिलाय ऑन टू पेशेंट आइडेंटिफायर्स. दिस विल रियली हेल्प यू इन द लॉन्ग रन. Number 2 and very serious mistake, accepting verbal orders. So please do not take verbal orders, and even in cases of emergency the hospital should have a policy for taking or not taking verbal orders. And also जब भी आप कुछ ले रहे हैं उसको हमेशा आपको डॉक्यूमेंट करना है with clear instructions and you have to read it back. Do not work upon unclear drug names. Maybe you will do more harm than you do good to the patient. मिस्टेक 3 इज योर डॉक्यूमेंटेशन डिले. एंड ये एक सिंपल सी मिस्टेक है जिससे कभी कभी पेशेंट को डबल डोजिंग जा सकती है, लीगल इश्यूज भी कॉज हो सकते हैं एंड समटाइम्स यू मे टोटली फॉरगेट कि क्या हमने करा था. सपोजिंग you have given a medication at 8 a.m. in the morning, आपकी शिफ्ट जब स्टार्ट हुई, you think कि I will document it at the end of the shift. End of the shift तक सब कुछ गायब हो जाता है माइंड से, you are so tired and वो डॉक्यूमेंट ही नहीं हुआ. So it may lead to double dosing to the patient and it will cause a major legal loophole. So be careful, if it is not documented, it is not done. Number 4 and my most favorite one because we are very closely associated with hospital infection control, hand hygiene. So hand hygiene एक simple procedure है which can reduce the infections up to 75 to 90%. बहुत simple procedure है. 75 to 90% आपका infection ऐसे ही reduce हो जाता है. No antibiotics needed, no cost is involved in this, minimal cost. सिर्फ एक hand rub या hand sanitizer का cost है. So please do not miss the WHO's 5 moments of hand hygiene. Mistake 6, not documenting the oxygen therapy correctly. So whenever oxygen therapy is given, do not miss this and always document the flow rate, your SpO2, your device that has been used. All these things have to be documented. Number 7 mistake, not flushing the IV lines or catheterized lines correctly. So always flushing should be done at regular intervals as indicated because it may lead to either occlusion or drug dosage delivery failure. So one or the other will happen and आपको हमेशा ensure करना है that you are not missing it. Number 8 and legally very important, consent verification. So you have asked a junior to take the consent or you yourself have taken the consent in a hurry. आपने उसको verify नहीं करा name के साथ, whosoever has given consent उनका signature, if it is a minor whether adult has been briefed or not. So all this is very important part and it is legally very important. Sometimes कोई केस ऐसा फंसता है जो आज नहीं 5 साल बाद हमें बहुत परेशान करता है. So we have to be very careful with the consent that everything is double checked and everything is documented. Number 10 and clinically most important, missing the early warning signs. So always remember, patient complaint को हमें कभी भी ignore नहीं करना है. Do not miss the early warning signs. Whenever you are seeing tachycardia, hypotension, confused patient, low urine output, these are the very early warning signs and make sure you are not missing them. Mistake 11, wrong biomedical waste segregation. So whenever you will face the audit, you will always see auditors will come and check your dustbins. Always open them and check. So make sure your biomedical waste segregation is up to the mark. We keep discussing them in so many videos and always all the hospitals have those big posters. If you're in confusion, please ask, but do not put in the wrong bin. It is not right to do that. Take 12, incomplete or poor intake and output charting. So you know input and output chart बहुत important हो जाता है, especially ICU patients, cardiac and renal patients में. So make sure your charting is accurate and can be relied upon. Number 13, not escalating the patient deterioration. So whenever you see a patient deteriorate, please escalate it to the seniors, the doctors, the residents who are there, and your senior nursing faculty. मिस्टेक नंबर 14, पुअर एसेप्टिक टेक्निक। दैट मीन्स कभी भी आप कोई प्रोसीजर के लिए जा रहे हैं, पीपीई पहन रहे हैं, और यू आर टचिंग द पेशेंट, यू आर डूइंग एनी प्रोसीजर्स लाइक कैथेटराइजेशन, कैनलाइजेशन, मेक श्योर यू आर फॉलोइंग ऑल द एसेप्टिक टेक्निक्स एंड डू नॉट मिक्स सेप्टिक एंड एसेप्टिक एरियाज टुगेदर। प्लीज, इन्फेक्टेड एंड स्टेराइल एरियाज कभी भी मिक्स नहीं होने चाहिए, दे शुड ऑलवेज बी सेपरेट। नंबर 15 एंड वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, मेडिकेशन डबल चेक्स। सो मेडिकेशन कैलकुलेशन एरर जो है वो बहुत कॉमन मिस्टेक है एंड इवन सीनियर नर्सेज मेक इट। सो मेक श्योर हाई अलर्ट मेडिकेशन या अदर स्पेसिफिक मेडिकेशन के लिए यू आर डूइंग द डोज कैलकुलेशन करेक्टली एंड मेक श्योर यू आर डूइंग डबल चेक्स फॉर हाई अलर्ट मेडिकेशन। दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड ऑल्सो अ रिक्वायरमेंट फॉर योर ऑडिट पर्पस। मिस्टेक नंबर 16, ignoring patient allergies. So make sure before giving specific medications or your food allergies, your hospital food that you are giving to the patient, you have documented the allergies correctly. Please make sure आप पूछ के उसको document कर रहे हैं. So many times we see that nurses or these team members have, junior nurses especially, they have documented it just as a frequency, no allergy, no this thing, but you have not asked the patient. So make sure you are doing the allergy checks correctly. You are asking the patient also, asking their family members also in case of minor patients. So you have to be very careful with this. With this might be life threatening. So you have to be very careful. Mistake number 17, and so many times we have seen this, that is your copy paste documentation. सो एक्चुअल रीअसेसमेंट से पहले ही कॉपी एंड पेस्ट डॉक्यूमेंटेशन जो है वो इतने बार हमें ऑडिट में मिलता है एंड इट इज़ एक्चुअली अ थ्रेट टू पेशेंट सेफ्टी। दैट मीन्स ये पेशेंट सेफ्टी को बहुत ज़्यादा कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ करता है। सो वी शुड नॉट टोटली रिलाई ऑन दिस एंड दिस टाइप ऑफ वर्क शुड नॉट बी प्रैक्टिस्ड इन द हॉस्पिटल। प्लीज डू नॉट कॉपी पेस्ट and do your actual correct work. Write your notes after reassessing the patient. Mistake number 18, and it is I feel it is less documented, that is पेशेंट के जो स्पेसिमेंस है उनको रॉन्ग लेबल करना या मिसमैच लेबल करना। सो यू नो, बिकॉज यू आर टेकिंग सो मेनी सैम्पल्स फ्रॉम सो मेनी पेशेंट्स, देयर माइट बी सैम्पल मिक्सिंग एंड दिस में टोटली चेंज द वे योर ट्रीटमेंट इज बीइंग गिवन। सो प्लीज मेक श्योर स्पेसिमेंस या सैम्पल्स एडिक्वेटली और बिल्कुल करेक्टली ऑन साइट ही लेबल हो रहे हैं। मिस्टेक नंबर 19, skipping patient education. So you know, in the new guidelines from NABH also, the one thing that is very very prominent is patient education and also patient's family education in case of pediatric cases, the parent education. So हमें patient उसकी family को correctly educate करना है in all aspects of their disease and nutrition, their diet, their physiotherapy, their exercises, whatever operations they are going through, and it has become all the more important to promote patient safety. So you know, something as simple as fall risk, you have to tell the patient, make his family aware, and you also have to be aware. So educating the patients rightly is something which needs to be done on the spot. And mistake number 20, which I have seen most senior nurses do this mistake, not asking for help. So please ask for help whenever you need it. Whenever you see an agitated patient, a pediatric patient, or any patient where you feel you should ask for help of seniors, of doctors, of your fellow nurses, please ask for help. Because most of the senior nurses or most of the senior team feels ki how can we ask for help? So please ask for help. Hospitals should always be working as a team for patient care. So do not hesitate to ask for help. This is the most important one. So patient safety actually begins with avoiding these small errors. So I hope you like this small information video, and for more such content, do like and follow us. Let me know in the comments which mistake did you make in your hospital.